Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Welcome back to another episode of Bookbinding Basics. I was digging through all my old books looking for something, and I found this little one-sheet book. I'll be brutally honest. I'm not entirely sure what something like this would be used for, let alone made for, but it was taught to me, so I figured I'd share. This is cut down to a specific size, though I don't think it's necessary, so let's reverse engineer this one. First, let's get 4 equal vertical columns, and 3 equal horizontal ones. You know how to do that easily, because I taught you, but if you missed it, it should be on the screen for you now. So like all one-sheet books, it's a series of folds, followed by a series of cuts, followed by a series of folds. Except this one has a weird skateboarding trick in the middle of it that holds it all together. Again, not sure what this would be used for beyond an artist book, which is what I used it for, apparently, though I'm not sure how artist-y it is. So here's, a way to make this. Hopefully this will spark some other idea you might have by looking at this odd one. I love when that happens. Roll the thing.